the video, I wanted to do this, I think it's like more of like a chestnut brown 26-inch unit from Ashimary Hair. I showed you guys how I kind of curled it on camera. Pretty sure I didn't have to bleach the knots on this unit, or I might have. But they gave me like lashes and everything. I guess like a little band, like when you're going in and you're kind of like securing the lace to put that on here. So it kind of looks like this. Didn't have to really do that with this unit while I was trying to apply it. And they also gave me wig caps, and this is what the bag kind of looks like. So yes, this is a super long wig. I just felt like it was so long that I wanted to go ahead and see what it would be like if it were curled. The hair is very, very soft. I'm gonna look at the hair color that this is as well, because I don't really remember. Okay, yeah, this is the Chestnut Brown 13 by 4-inch lace, and yeah, it's 26 inches. The price of this unit is going to be $256.12. This is a great price. I actually used a lace tint on this, so for me, I just went to my local beauty supply store and just like got the one that fit me best. You don't have to necessarily bleach the knots on this because the knots are kind of already brown depending on your skin tone, but for me, I didn't have to really do anything, but the lace definitely needed a little tint on it. I've noticed that for most of my wigs, if it's not like a crystal lace, if it's not one of those like actual skin melting laces that they have, they're gonna have to have a lace tint. So I've been using that for this. This is what the back of the hair is looking like. I have a little hair clip here, of course, that I wanted to use. And yeah, I think this wig turned out really cute. It's funny because like in warm lighting, the hair or the wig actually looks kind of reddish, but it's not. Like it's actually a true chestnut brown, but like when you go out in the sun, it can kind of give you that ginger type of look, but not to the point where it looks really, really orange, which is nice. But this is a close-up of the lace. You can kind of see it right here. I could have done a little bit better of a job, but I did better on this side where I put more foundation and stuff. Oh, this is the lace melt that I used on my wig. I'll show you guys. It's from Ebin, New York, Wonder Lace Bomb Adhesive Spray Extreme Hold. I think this one is sweat resistant. Mainly because sometimes got-to-be glue doesn't really work well in the heat, and it's usually very hot here in Texas, so I had to get something that would honestly have a good extreme hold. I don't really like using glue for the most part, so any spray that I can use, I'll go for that. This still removes the same way as got-to-be glued. You just spray water on it, comes right off. But you know, as far as sweating and stuff, I haven't had any issues with it. I like this a lot. This wig lays down pretty flat. I used my hot comb to kind of just lay everything down when I was styling this, and I was good to go. Kind of how the curls are looking, because this is a very long wig. Again, it's 26 inches, so there's a lot going on here. And honestly, for the price of this, for only $256, this is really not bad at all. This is the great price for the unit. I also sewed in an elastic band. You can also put this behind your ears. This wig looks very natural. Lays down flat, and I like it. I guess I'll just take this out for y'all so y'all can see how this is looking. All the way down, it still looks really pretty. This wig, I know it's gonna stay soft. Like there are some wigs I have been getting recently that have been kind of just not the softest of units for some reason. I don't know why the hair companies were giving me wigs that aren't that soft, but I have to do a lot just to make sure it stays, you know, looking nice. But this, I can run my fingers through it, I can wash it. I've already washed it several times, but that's mostly because I had to wash out the lace tint and stuff whenever I used it, because I like to, you know, constantly wash my lace and stuff before I have to wear it. So that's literally it, but yeah, I think it looks good. I could lighten this up a little bit more with some foundation, but other than that, I think that's really it for how everything is looking. I think I got this in a cap size small, and yeah, I sewed in an elastic band on top of that, and I've been wearing blonde units recently, but I'm getting kind of tired of wearing blonde hair, so I might go back to darker hair in the future. I just don't really feel like wearing it as much. Yeah, I like this. I also like it with the outfit that I'm wearing right now. I think it's cute. I would probably wear this half up, half down because the hair is so long. I might go shorter this summer, like for my, you know, go-to wig. I might just stop wearing them super long. I think that's it for this video. Again, this is from Ashimary Hair. The unit is extremely soft, very easy to install. Yeah, I didn't do any plucking on this whatsoever. I just did a lace tint, and it takes curls extremely well. Yeah, that's all I have to really say. I hope that you guys liked this hair video. Be sure to go ahead and follow Ashimary Hair down below. I'm gonna put a link in the description to this wig, a direct link, as well as their website and all that good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope that you guys like the unit. Anyways, I was rambling, but I will see you guys later, and yeah, bye.